Welcome back to Super Amazed. Today I'm taking you on a chilling journey. We're diving into the top 5 deadliest lakes you should avoid. These lakes are not for the faint of heart. First up, we have Lake Nyos in Cameroon. This seemingly calm lake hides a deadly secret. Beneath the surface lies a huge pocket of carbon dioxide. In 1986, it erupted, releasing a toxic cloud that suffocated over 1,700 people. The silent killer. Next, we travel to Boiling Lake in Dominica. As the name suggests, this lake is literally boiling. Temperatures can reach up to 197 degrees Fahrenheit. One wrong step and it's over. Not a place for a casual swim, that's for sure. Our third stop is